Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Admiral's Inn Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, fitness center and a bar. Located off Main Street, this hotel is equidistance from the center of the town and the Ogunquit Playhouse, approximately 1,600 feet. All rooms come with a flat-screen TV, mini fridge, and complimentary Wi-Fi. Guests will find a gym, a dry sauna, and guest laundry at the Admiral's Inn Resort. The Admiral's Inn Resort has 2 seasonal outdoor pools and hot tubs that are open from Memorial Day to Indigenous Peoples Day. A seasonal poolside patio bar with a fire pit is available on site. Wells Corner Shopping Center is 5.6 miles from the Admiral's Inn Resort. Ogunquit Museum-American Art is 1.2 miles away while Cape Neddick Country Club is 2.1 miles away. Mount Agamenticus is 6.1 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.